Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on INFINIX Zero 40. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now select this application and then click install. Now you can click open, and now click this button to skip introduction and then click open permissions. Now click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back, and now we can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.